Hello guys and welcome to our channel. My name is Anna and this is Alistair.
Доброго дня.
Those of you who don't
Ciao, как ты?
I'm Serbian, he's Australian, and every Sunday we make funny videos exploring our two cultures. It's mostly me just trying to shove my Serbianism in Alistair's face. In today's video, Alistair is going to react to some Serbian songs, which are mostly from the 90s. And these are the songs that he has never seen before.
How old then?
Not even one. But before that, in order to listen to Serbian music, we must have a shot of Rakia. We're going to our first song. Are you ready?
Let's go.
The first song is sung by Dragana Mirkovic and it's from 1992. And let's hear it.
Oh, do you want to call my phone? Sam?
So she's saying. So what do you reckon she's saying? What do you reckon this video is about?
I have no idea. About a man who's in the distance. She's calling him to come to her. Come to me.
Oh, calling her. And I'm the chorus. Pitaju me u mom kraju means they ask me in my hood. Like she's kind of like a Jenny from the block. She's like a Dragana from the block, if that makes sense.
Yeah.
She says, they ask me in my neighborhood, like they don't know why I don't give my lips to anyone anymore. And then she says, they ask me in my neighborhood, like they don't know.
Ah.
That tears like songbirds always come out.
First.
This is 1992, it's the new age. It's the new dawn. It's the new...
I like it. I like it a lot.
I don't know, it's not
And her
about-
vocals are very healthy. Very deep.
Our second song is written in 1994 and it's actually performed, I don't know if it's written, but it's performed by one of my favorite artists. And his name is Jay. I do have a photo of him. Insert here.
Is that the same keyboard player?
I don't know, it could be. I need to smash something.
Whoa, I've got the kids dancing too. Look at him go. Whoa. It's mad.
It's 1994, everyone is happy because they don't know better. They don't know the horrors that are about to happen. He says, I'm voting for love, I'm risking for it everything that I have in my life. It's very poetic. The things that you have done to me, it's too big price to pay for beauty, as in her beauty. And now this chorus. By the way, this song is called Birth Me Son. So he says, birth the sons, go to someone else, just please leave me in peace. You know, because she hurt him. That's what he says.
I wish you did. It's wrong. Yeah, just the people.
He says, because obviously he's telling her to go, he says, I'm not gonna die, I'm still gonna love, even in Siberia. I don't know what that means. But
Off to Gulag you go.
next one is done by Nada Topčagić. Nada Topčagić. I dare you to say the last name.
Nada Topčagić. Nada Topčagić.
That's right.
Nada Topčagić.
That's right. The next song is done by Nada Topčagić.
Nada
And
Topčagić.
Jutro je, which means it is morning. It is morning. So she's praying, next to you, I wanted to wake up. Because of you, I wanted to drink black eyes instead of wine.
Yeah.
And she's saying, it is morning, it is morning. You're gone, it's better that I never woke up. There isn't a place on this pillow that I didn't kiss. You are my desire, you are my desire. And then again. How deep is this song?
Dark.
It's dark.
There's no place. I did not kiss you on this pillow.
No, she says, there isn't a place on this pillow that I didn't kiss. Which I don't understand, as if she would just kiss pillows.
I think the place she didn't kiss him.
Oh, that's fucking sad. Hopefully it's not sad, it's like dark. Next song, which is done by Shaban Charles, the king. Ali has had a couple of Shaban Charles songs before.
Is that him?
Yeah, it's him. He's singing.
Wig man.
He's singing and he's driving a car. See?
Wig. I'm sorry, I love Shaban, but like...
He's gonna say, he just said, hey life. He says, hey life, I am so tired and I'm afraid of death. While he's driving, I would think that this is maybe like a Scala perhaps, or no, I must sing, but I also must watch the road. How do I do this? He was the man ahead of his time. Look at this. Look at that. Finally, I'm gonna stop at red lights and turn to a camera. Our next song is done by Zeta, and it's a song from 1998, and it's called Not.
Nevala.
That is right.
I said that too well.
I don't know what there's water, this doesn't run in the ducks.
It's art, alright?
She's saying for a month I've been sleeping alone. What would you do in my position? You love her, but I love you. Does she know that? Does she know that? I don't care if she knows. She needs to give it to you to me, because tonight I'm not. Okay guys, if you like this video, please like and subscribe and comment. If you want to see us react to some other Serbian or Yugoslavian or any type of songs from Eastern Europe, please comment down below. Please like and subscribe and share and join us to this journey.
Thanks for joining us. Have a good one.